up for today. So, difficult one. We have ended up with a bit of a hanging man, but we did ultimately close higher, although we did pop below the low of the previous day. Bit of a mixed bag. Does look a little bit tired to me, but it also does look like we're aiming for a higher level. So typically, when you see this kind of thing, it's looking very tired. You've got wedges forming. Okay, there's your wedge that is forming at the moment, but the trend is up. So you're getting these bearish signals starting to pop onto your radar, and at the same time, you're also getting you've got a level. You're breaking through big levels, and then you've got another level just ahead of you. So typically, like this, you can argue. If we just zoom in, we've had 2 days that we've closed above this major level of 32.64. So the next big level is to the upside, which is 33.11. So I think 3,300 is obviously what we're aiming for here. So let's just get back out of this zoom. Now, a little bit of a cup and handle forming here, inverse cup and handle, looking to break through. And I think what we're really trying to do now is to break through this area here. So we're trying to get through 32.78, and I think ultimately we'll be looking for 33.11. Okay, or possibly 3,300. You may find something there. But for me, it is still long to buy the pullbacks. Yesterday's entry was pretty clear, right back on the breakout retest. There was a breakout. We had a breakout of this level, 32.39, came back, tested it, and that gave you the opportunity to buy into this. So there it is there. Okay, and you had a pin bar, inside bar, pattern, off a level, major level, buy in, stop below that. And you could still be in on this, or you would have just taken profit at this chaos that's happening at the top here. So we've got Amazon results today. We had some fairly good set of results yesterday, but didn't really impact anything. We've still got some USA-Chinese trade war tensions brewing as well. Quite a bit of different noises in the market, and we've got some data coming out today. So, yeah, we may just be sideways for most of the morning, and then later on in the day, maybe we get lucky and we get some breakouts to the upside. But yeah, I am cautious at the moment. It is starting to, a wedge is basically just a narrow trading range or trading channel, and it just keeps narrowing and narrowing because you're looking for something to happen. And because of the low volumes that are on offer at the moment, I think we've got a little range forming here. I do think we're going to break up and probably target 3,300 area, and after that, we're going to have to watch and see what transpires. But it does look a little bit tired at the moment. I wouldn't be surprised to see us come back down and retest this area of 32.39 or 32.40 again, or even come back and test 32.64 at the moment. So, yeah, we're going to have to just watch and see. This is a fairly strong range. I think you'll see it more clearly on the 15. And if I delete the noise, you'll see upside of the range and downside of the range. Okay, but even on the 15-minute, you can see trending up, microtrend is trending up into a range. So, if you are long at the moment, your stop is going to be below this range at the moment, anticipating a break to the upside. Okay, so that's my view at the moment. I still think we're heading up. So 3,300 is the target at the moment. But it may be a slow and cumbersome move today, just looking at what's transpiring at the moment. But it also may just shoot up there quickly this morning. You never know with this thing. But this here is pretty much a rounding bottom, inverse head and shoulders. We just need to break out above 32.78, and your stop is going to be below 32.68. Okay, so that's a nice, for me on my platform, that is going to be 125 pip stop loss. Okay, anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.